Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted Instagram posts and Reels. So of course, for that, we will need to navigate to our own profile. So click on the profile picture of yours right at the bottom of the screen, down below here on the right. And then we just need to go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines right here in the top right, and then navigate to Archive, third tab right here from the top. And there you go, guys. As you can see, we have here, if we're talking about stories, we have an archive of our stories that, disappeared. You can look back on your memories. So whenever you delete or archive things, they always go here. Okay. So as you can see, we have stories. Also, if we go and press on the drop down, we have the posts archive. And also we have a live archive. So if you want to access past things, past posts, they will be found here. So once again, from the profile, three dots right here, three lines, archive, and you can find all of your stuff here. So it doesn't really disappear, as you can see. Enjoy the guide, guys. As always, like and subscribe.